Neha ji was on fire. Like something had entered her spirit, and the way she has danced phenomenally well, and her piece with Omkar, the duet was absolutely mind blowing. I'm so happy to be here this evening and to experience her performance today.
I'm really very happy to be here and experience this wonderful performance by Neha. This is the second time I'm seeing it, and second time is like the first time I thought, wow, and this is like I became a speechless. So amazing.
I have known Neha for almost 10 years and I have seen her growth as a dancer. Today she was brilliant. Fantastic is the word for her. From the time she's begun to now, it's been a great journey for this wonderful dancer and a wonderful person. She has followed her passion completely from day one. Be it her first dancing class that she took so many years back, to so many other shows that she made till today. The passion and the fire that she has is incredible. कहते हैं ना एक ही साधे सब सधे सब साधे सज जाए. एक बार आप किसी को फॉलो करते हैं पैशन को, आपके सारे दरवाजे खुल जाते हैं. She always wanted to do a show like this, and I'm so glad she could do it only because of her passion. I wish her all the very best.
I believe all of you must have performed live at least once. In your career, and there's a difference sometimes between acting on screen and acting live. And dancing for an hour and a half sometimes is so difficult to have that energy consistent throughout for the whole show. If you can elaborate how difficult sometimes it gets to keep the energy or the momentum up to the speed always.
The stamina that is required, even before the performance, the rehearsals that you do, the number of hours of practice that you're given, that also is very, very important to come to a point where you can perform for so long on stage. And there's no retake on stage. So what you do is what you see, and what the audience will either love you or hate you. And we as audiences, I think we've just loved her because it showed, her hard work showed, her dedication showed, her whole focus was just there. And to perform solo like this for so long, I said she's on fire. Wish her all the very best.
And as a dancer, I can just tell one thing is when we come on the stage, we forget everything. And we don't know from where the strength within us just comes out, and we have that stamina, strength, and we forget whoever is in the front, and we just enjoy doing what we love.
That's why dancing is sadhana. It's a form of meditation.
I believe it's the blessing of our elders, of our gurus, that takes us where we are standing on stage. Because that's what gives us the confidence. Of course, rehearsal and all that will make you to reach that level of energy. But it is the blessing which we count, the prayers that we do before we step on stage, which gives us that confidence to stand there for how many hours and do our performance to best of our ability. It's only because of the Ashirvad which is most important in life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like your experience that you had today inside the auditorium, what was it like? What were your expectations when it started, and how did it end?
Of course, my expectations, because Neha had been learning with me since many years, and I appreciate her quality of determination. And see, our classical Indian dance traditions, they are multi-layered and multi-textured, and they have sustained thousands of years. It's not easy, and it is just because of the presence of the strong qualities like devotion, determination, and sadhana, and that is why they have sustained. And I'm very happy that Neha is moving on this path with all, just taking it forward, and I wish Neha all the very best for all her future endeavors.
Dancing for an hour and a half straight takes a lot of energy, stamina, and determination, and more than anything, practice and rehearsals that go behind it. And I'm sure your guidance and everything has helped her a lot. But if you could just sort of elaborate on dancing for so long without losing your breath, and also making sure that everyone does not lose their attention and keeps everyone's attention grabbed also is a very big task.
Yeah, as I said, our classical Indian dance traditions, the demand is of the solo, not of the group. So whenever any student, any classical dance student, when they start learning, and so the gurus attention or mainly grooming is more to see that how they build up on the stamina. Now, this stamina is not about the physical stamina. And what you mentioned is so correct, that how can one sustain? We have also seen, and I myself have performed for 3 hours at a stretch. So, of course, the time has changed, and now the time is more for the group choreographies and all. But actually, if you see the classical dance, and that's why they are different. So, how to sustain this? So, as you get groomed, because of all the qualities which I talked about, we create another energy inside. We may term that as a spiritual energy, which is beyond physicality. So our classical dance arts are transcendental in nature. So, and I think that is one of the reasons why an artist, if those qualities are there, they can transcend and they can sustain for more than even 1.5 hours, and you don't feel. And also classical dance is also, how the flower blooms. It never blooms like this. It starts with the Vilambita, Madhya and the Dhruta. I was happy that she actually followed that pattern, because sometimes lack of time by the organizer, we immediately start with the, Dhruta Laya, but it is never the demand of the classical arts. And that's how it goes. You see, even I can compare with the day-to-day life, that in the morning we get up. We just don't get up and forget today's time, we get up and we run. But actually that is not the life. We also have to get up, have a cup of tea or coffee, just relax and start the day. And then at the peak, you are at a peak, and then evening again you're for. Exactly. So our classical dance definitely reflects this life. So they are just not only the dance for entertainment, but they are, it is all about to educate, entertain and enlighten. And that is the transcendental quality of the dance.
If you could describe this event in one line.
In one line? Yeah, I love the quality of the determination to move forward.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, first of all, I want to congratulate the entire team because this was a really mesmerizing event. We were awestruck with the performance because it was flawless and it was continuous. Kathak is one of the, what we call about the classical dances, but 8 forms of Indian classical dance, and Kathak is one of the most important one, and it's originated from UP. And tonight, this evening, we have seen an excellent performance. I don't know about others, but of course for me it was very awestruck, and I really loved it. The way the flow was, and she depicted numerous things with her eyes, with her expressions, with her steps, and I hope more of these events come up and she gives us more to view. Thank you very much.
So how was your experience watching this?
आज का जो इंडियन कल्चर क्लासिकल कथक था, इसमें अभी इनका जो 20-30 साल का जो मेहनत है वो आज रंग ला रही है और दिख रही है कि क्या डांस है, क्या मूवमेंट्स है, क्या बॉडी ग्रेसअप है और क्या स्टेमिना है, और उसमें एक एक अंग का जो बोलते हैं उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने स्टेप्स और जो लेते हैं वो मेन क्लासिकल है, ये बेस है। यानी आजकल के जो यंग जनरेशन को है ये अपना इंडियन क्लासिकल सब डांसेस है, ये कथक है, क्लासिकल है, भरतनाट्यम है, इसको सबको करना चाहिए, सीखना चाहिए और ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में इसको फेम करना चाहिए। और ये इजी नहीं है 1.5 घंटा कंटिन्यूस एक से का डांस करना, ये इतने साल की मेहनत है, स्टेमिना है, तब ये आप कर पाते हो। बहुत बढ़िया था, बहुत ब्रिलियंट और बहुत बढ़िया क्राउड भी थे और रिस्पांस भी आज इनको इतना अच्छा मिला है। नेहा जी ने बहुत बढ़िया कथक परफॉर्म किया है, बहुत मजा आया। थैंक
you. How's your experience?
English is fine, right? Okay. So basically, by profession, I'm a designer and I'm a dancer by passion. So getting this kind of opportunities to perform on stage is genuinely a big thing for me. And Neha ma'am gave me this opportunity, so for which I'm genuinely thankful. and it's a great pleasure to dance along with her and share the stage with her. She is superbly talented, skilled dancer, and genuinely amazing person. So thank you so much for this opportunity, Neha ma'am, and the whole team was amazing. It's been a great time, past few days, weeks to spend quality time with them and share knowledge. Though we are dancers, we get to share our knowledge with musicians and learn from them about music industry and their field. So yeah, it's a give and take, and because of all these kind of events, we get these kind of opportunities. So for which I'm genuinely thankful. Thank you.
My question is, how it was difficult for you to match Neha energy while dancing? Is it difficult for you?
The best part about Neha ma'am is though she comes from a very traditional style of Kathak, and yet her thoughts are very contemporary. She never restricts her ideas. She let it flow. So that is what gives a chance for a dancer like me to be in that zone where I can actually do something on my own and also adjust with her style and with her energy. So when we rehearse, we actually come up with choreography and pieces which we both are comfortable doing rather than thinking it one way. So again, it's only possible because of Neha ma'am, and yeah, that's good.
How's your experience inside? With what expectations did you go inside, and towards the end of it, how did you feel?
I think it was my first time watching the artist Neha Banerjee perform, and I obviously had come up with a lot of expectations and more exceeds expectations situation happening here. I think Purnamidam is a absolute beautiful mix of the strength of Kathak as well as the grace of Kathak, the form of storytelling. I think exceptional set of accompaniment by her side, and that shows together as a team. When you have a beautiful concept backed by a beautiful set of accompaniment, it brings forth the essence of the art form and the idea that the artist comes forth with. So to see Neha perform was definitely a charm, and we hope for more and more people to come and watch this show time and again.
You yourself are a professional Kathak dancer. I mean, you know how difficult it is to continuously have that energy burning for an hour and a half or 2 hours at a stretch. You could elaborate on how much practice, rehearsal time, dedication it takes to sort of master every step.
I think it's a ongoing process since the first day you start learning any art form, especially Kathak, because Kathak requires core strength, it requires technique with your footwork, it requires expression, stamina, XYZ. So to be so consistent with it, keeping in mind the mood of the show altogether, the conceptualization, costume, makeup, everything, I think it's an ongoing process for the artist within itself, and for the concept to flow from some other poetry and music for all to come together. So I think it's a lifetime's work for every artist, and every time the artist goes on stage, it's sarthak ho jata hai of all the riyaz that you've been doing across the years. So yeah, a very good example of what riyaz can do to an artist.
If you could describe the event in one line, what would it be?
Sparkling, I would say sparkling because of Neha and as I say again, the gem of artists on stage, which makes the concept absolutely stunning. So sparkling.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मेरी गुरु बहन है, तो मैं तो बहुत 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 ज़्यादा खुश हूँ। और जिस तरह से नेहा ने एक जर्नी दिखाई है कथक की, पूर्णमिदम यानी संपूर्णता की ओर हम जा रहे हैं, और कथक के सारे एलिमेंट्स को वो छूती हुई गई है। शिव को भी हम उसी नज़रिए से देखते हैं, पूर्णत्व की तरफ। तो मुझे तो बेहद 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 खुशी है, और मैं उसको बहुत बहुत प्यार और बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। बहुत सुंदर नाची आज।
It takes a lot of energy to continuously dance for an hour and a half. You yourself have choreographed so many pieces. आपको पता है कि on stage फर्क होता है कैमरा के सामने प्री रिकॉर्डेड लाइव करना, काफी टेक्स होते हैं और लाइव इवेंट में देयर आर नो रीटेक्स, इट्स वन परफॉर्मेंस दैट कैरीज द ऑन द ऑडियंस. सो how does it feel as a performer when someone performs for an hour and a half non-stop of people?
ये रियाज के बिना नहीं हो सकता. रियाज ही है जो आपको यहाँ तक ले आता है. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि जो भी बच्चे आजकल सीख रहे हैं रियाज से नहीं भागे, क्योंकि हमारा जो शास्त्रीय नृत्य है वो इतना सा करके आप ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते. उसमें इतनी सारी वैरायटी है, उसको सबको दिखाने के लिए आपको बहुत कुछ प्रैक्टिस करती रहनी पड़ेगी. और वो प्रैक्टिस की वजह से, उस रियाज की वजह से ही वो इतने समय तक अकेले सोलो परफॉर्म कर सकी. और आप ये भी देखिए कि जो लाइव म्यूजिशियंस बैठे हैं उनको सबको कंडक्ट करना पड़ता है. आप अपने हिसाब से उनको रिदम बताते हैं. जैसे वो पढ़ंत कर रही थी बीच बीच में आके, तो वो हम म्यूजिशियंस को भी वो बता रही थी कि देखिए अब इसके बाद मैं ये चीज़ कर रही हूँ. और इम्प्रॉम्प्टू भी होती है, कई चीज़ें रिहर्स नहीं थी, तो वो ऑन द स्पॉट ऑडियंस की नज़रिए को देखते हुए, उनका फीडबैक लेते हुए आप उस हिसाब से अपने मूड के हिसाब से आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो लाइव म्यूजिक के साथ करना तो एक अपना अनोखा एक्सपीरियंस है.
If you could describe just this event in one line, what would it be?
Mesmerizing और beautiful.
Thank you so much. Experience performing in front of a live audience like you've done before multiple times, but Purnamidam is something that has come in Mumbai the first time after quite a long time. How was your experience?
First of all, performing in NCPA experimental theatre here is every artist's dream. So although I've got this opportunity a number of times, but this time this show Purnamidam was very close to my heart, because I am performing here after a very, very long time, like after 7 to 8 years. So yes, it was very important for me to reconnect with my fellow dancers, my gurus, my counterparts. Everybody came, they took out the time and they appreciated it. So the experience is very, very nice. And of course the management over here is so supportive and so disciplined, which brings the class into the each performance, and that automatically shows in the productions which we come up with here, because they are so disciplined. Our production comes out quite disciplined. That's very important.
Do you think there's a lot of scope for Kathak as a dance form to even grow and gain a lot of popularity as it was done in the past, but continuity is growing at a good speed? Having these kind of acts and events where people attend raises awareness for our Indian culture and a dance form. Your take on the growth of this dance form, growing it even further in India?
Kathak has always been the favorite of masses and classes, of course. And now, yes, of course, with the changing times, it has gone through a lot of changes. But, the craft is such that it is able to retain its old and aesthetics of dance. So this will be there forever. It was always there. It will remain forever. So as my topic goes, Purnamidam, it's like the Shankar, the Adi Anadi. So it is there. It is going to remain even after the world dance. The Naad is going to be there.
Now, what was your prep time for this? How much time did it take to build this from scratch till the end? And the number of people involved? How was the whole process of going through all of this and then seeing all this come together live? Is a different feeling altogether when you've done it. So take us through that experience.
So if you ask me how much time I have taken to prepare this, whatever I dance today, I have tried to bring out all the talim which I have taken over the period of more than 30 years. And yes, that is the timeline which I have taken to prepare. But
this as a whole, as a production, as a concept, our team has been preparing this for last 3 to 4 months. The concept was very much there in our minds, and to bring out this matra, 14, 15 and 16, 14, 15 and 16 matra together, and on these जो बोलते हैं, हाँ, जो chimes, to bring it on chimes with the theka. It took a lot of preparation because all the tals are quite intrinsic tals, and it took us a lot of time, but we had a lot of fun. It was a lot of learning for all of us together as a team. Every time we think of something new, we learn again and again. So that was amazing for all of us.
If you could, last question, if you could describe this whole event in one line, what are you?
Purnamidam is actually Purnamidam. It's a complete circle of my talim, as I told you. Whatever I have danced, I've danced what I started with as a student, and I've danced now which I have composed myself as a teacher. So it's again a circle of my journey. So it's a Purnamidam.
Thank you so much.